Hey everyone, welcome back to the fourth video of this playlist in which I will show you how to build and deploy a full e-commerce website in MERN stack. So in this fourth video, we will see how to make an admin page. So we will make just a simple admin page in this video. So as you can see, whenever you will click on this account/login, you will either go to this login page, or if you have an account, if the cookie is there, then you will go to the my account page. But now we will add a feature. If the login matches to the admin login, okay, so that means if the email is equal to admin@mail.com, then we will send the admin to the admin page. So in that way, only the admin will be able to go to the admin page and no other user. So let's start. So first of all, what I will do, I will simply create a new file here. So I will say admin page.js. okay, that's it. And here I will write the boilerplate RFC. Let's close this. Alright, and here I will first of all simply write admin account. That's it. Let's save it and now come to the app.js, and here we have to do some changes. So as you can see, if the cookie value is undefined, we will take the user to the login page, and if there is a cookie, then we take it to the account page. But now we have to add additional statement that if the cookie val is equal to admin@mail.com, then we will send the user to the admin page. So what we are doing here, so I will simply copy it and write it here. So if the cookie is equal to admin@mail.com, then we will send it to admin page. Okay, just like that. And here you have to make some changes. So if the cookie is not defined, and also if the cookie is not equal to this admin@mail.com, so just like that. Okay, so now we are done. So if the cookie is not undefined and if it is not equal to admin@mail.com, then only it will take you to the my account page. So let me just quickly do format document. Alright, so let's save it, and now let's see if it is working or not. So I will just refresh the page here. Okay, and in the sign up page I have to make a new account. Okay, so I will write here let's say admin and admin@mail.com, just like that. So let's give it a password. Okay, confirm password, hit the checkbox, click submit, and as you can see, successfully registered. And now if I just go to the home page, okay, and click on account, so yep, as you can see, it is saying admin account. So now you will see it is taking me to the admin page, not the my account page. So it is working great. Okay, so our code is working great. So now let's write some more code in our admin.js. So first of all, I will do some CSS for this h1 tag. So I will write text is equal to, okay, text equal to 3xl, then text center, and let's say empty 6, which is margin top 6. Then I will just simply copy the form from this login.js. So where it is. Alright, so I will just simply do this form just like that and paste it here. And we don't need any reCAPTCHA because it is the admin. Okay, and remove this comments from here. Let's do format document, and now we have to change these also. So here instead of this I will write add a product. Okay, so here I will write add a product. Then first of all, what is the name of the product? So I will write name of product. Then after the name you have to write product type here. Okay, and I will just copy these. Okay, so I will just copy this. Alright, and after the product type I will write price. So what is the price? Then stocks. Okay, number of stocks. Alright, just like that. And lastly, what I will write, the image URL. Okay, so we also want the image URLs, so I will copy it one more time here and I will write image URL, just like that. And now we have to change these also. So for that what I will do, instead of this, okay, so yeah, so here I will write text, then ID. Let's leave ID for now. Okay, we don't need ID, so let's remove this. And in this name I will write name. Okay, and this password here I will write type because it is the type. Remove this ID, and this will be text. Okay, this will be this will not be text, this will be number because it is a price. So in this I will write price, remove the ID, from here. And what is this? This is stocks, so I will write stocks. Type will be number, image URL will be type text, remove the ID, and this will be image. So yeah, so I guess now we are ready. Okay, so here after that after this image URL I will make a simple button here. So where is the button? Here it is, you can see this is here. So as you can see, it is the value of this is submit and the type is also submit. So we will leave it like that, and we don't need these, so we can just simply remove all this. Okay, and remove this also. But after this button here, alright, so after this button I will make a BR tag and make a new div tag. So inside this div we will show all the image URLs that the admin has submitted. So here one thing I will do here, I will change this to a button tag. Alright, so this will be a button tag. So here I have to remove this and add a button here. Okay, just like that. And inside this I have to write submit. So remove this value from here and also remove this type, and I will write here on click. So here on click I will write image submit. Okay, just like that. And we will make the function later on. And now I will just copy this input tag from this login page and paste it after this div. Alright, just like that. So now we can start making writing some JavaScripts. So let's make some variables first. So first of all I will make the form data. Okay, so the form and set form is equal to use state, and by default the value of this name will be empty, the type also will be empty, price will be null, and stocks also will be null. And we will not include images in this one because we need an array. Okay, so we will define the images later on. So here we will define the images. So I will write image. So here we will define the single image. So image set image is equal to use state, and this will be empty, and I'll just copy it down, and here I will write all image and set all image. Okay, just like that, and this will be an array, so I will here write an empty array. And after that I will make a function called image change, and this will be an arrow function, so I will write a e, and here what I will write set image, so this will just change the image, then nothing else. E dot target dot value, that's it. And I will write this image function in this where the image URL, so here it is. So the value will be image, okay, just image, and on change I will remove all these. Okay, on change I will write image change, that's it. So in this way it will change the URL. And after this image change, so the on click function was image submit, so we have to make this function also. So I will just copy it down, change the name to image submit here, and then here I can write if, okay, so we have to write some if else statement. So if image is equal to empty, and here we will need the toast one, so I will copy this toast import statement and use it here. So I will write here toast dot error, so image URL cannot be empty, just like that. Okay, and I will copy paste it and write it here. Okay, and if the image is the length of the image, okay, so I will write length of the image is more than 6. Okay, so here not image, so I will write here all image. So if the total number of images are more than 6, then we will say max 6 images are allowed. So the admin cannot so the admin cannot insert more than 6 images. All right, and else, okay, so else everything is fine, and we will just simply write set all image, and we will write an array, then I will write image comma, and then we will write this operator 3 dots, which will append the new array. So here I will write all image, so it will just append the image which we have just write here to the array, and then we have to write set message, so I will write here set image, and this will be empty. So what we are doing here, whenever someone will, like the admin will submit the image, then the image tag will go empty. All right, and I think now we are done. We just have to change these. Okay, so all right, so I think we are now pretty much done. And here let's change some write some code in this div tag, and here let's write some code in this div tag. So what I will do, I will simply write all image, so I will use this all image dot map. So I will make a map function, and in this map function just like that, so it will take 2 arguments. The first one will be message and then the index. So inside this, and make sure to write curly braces, not sorry, to write round braces, not the curly ones, because then it will not work. And write a uh, div tag here and provide a key. So in this key I will just simply write index, that's it. And inside this key I will simply write msg, okay, which is the index, and then write some break tags, okay, just like that, and save it. So now I think we are done. So let's see how far we have get. So as you can see, submit is not defined, so let's make the submit function as well. So I will simply copy this submit function from the login one, just like that, and paste it here, okay, that's it. And you can see I will just write admin update, because the admin is updating the product list, so just like that. And I will remove this, fill the captcha, and this here. So here I will write we are passing the form as well as all the image. So here we are passing the data and also the image array. And let's write the code for the backend also. So I will go to the server.js. I'll just simply do a copy paste. So here instead of this login I will write admin update, just like that. And now in this form you can see I will just copy this and make all images, okay, all image, we don't have an s, and I will simply give it this also, so just like that. And the try, we don't need these, okay, and we don't need any of this. So we will just simply make a new constant called data, and this will be an object. So the name will be form.name, and we will just simply copy paste down few more times. So the type will be type, price will be form.price, and stocks, okay, so same for the stocks, so just like that. All right, and after that, after the image, I will write image is equal to messages, or not messages, this one where it is. So all image, and then we have to also give some empty arrays for ratings and reviews. So I will write here all ratings, and this will be an empty array by default, because whenever some product is added, the rating, there will be no rating and no reviews also. So I will write reviews, and this will be also empty. And now I think we are done, okay. So one thing is all right, so we have to also write all right, so here one thing is missing, that we don't have any schema for our product details. So now we will make a new schema. So come in your Mongo.js and copy this user schema, and here we will make some changes. So here instead of this user schema I will write product schema, and the name will be name, and here I will write type, then price, and make sure to change this type to the number. I will do the same for the stocks. All right, and I will just copy this few more times, and here I will write image, and make sure to that the type of this image is array. And here in the stocks I will just simply copy this two more times and remove the stocks from here. All right, and instead of this stocks I will write all ratings, and here I will write reviews, okay, reviews. Alright, just like that, and make sure to write commas at the end of these, just like that. Alright, and I will just copy this and paste it here. Okay, and this will be product collection, so I will just write it here. So yeah, just like that. Okay, so just like that we are done, and here I will write product schema. Alright, so I think now we are done with the MongoDB part as well. So I will just save it and make sure that the spellings are all correct, and now we can simply, and okay, so before writing that, we also have to write is here. Okay, so product collection. Alright, so now we can simply write await, and then this one, product collection dot insert many. So we will use the insert many function, and we will just insert the data just like that, and then we will pass a confirmation message to the JSON which says pass. That's it, and if anything goes wrong it will say fail. So let's format document first. Alright, so I think now we are fully done. Let's check if it is work or not. Okay, so it is saying Axios and cookies are not defined, so let's change them. So what I will write here, we'll just copy this Axios here. Okay, and if the function is pass, okay, so if the confirmation message is pass, then what we will do, we can simply write a toast success. Okay, a toast message which says successfully added. Okay, that's it, and if anything goes wrong, where it is, so I will just remove all these, and if anything goes wrong, we will say something went wrong. That's it. Alright, and we don't need anything else. So now let's check it, and yep, as you can see, the admin account is looking something like this. You can see all the name, product type. So let's add a name. So I will add iPhone 14, and okay, so it is typing here also, so let me see what is the problem. Alright, so you have to change these. So here it will be type, then here it will be price, stocks, and just like that. Okay, so now I think it will work. So write iPhone 14 here, and product will be electronics, you can see, and type, let's we will give the price in rupees, which is an Indian currency. So I'll write here 90,000 here, and let's say stock, there are 20 stocks, and let's just add a simple and just add a simple iPhone 14 image. So I will search for iPhone 14, click on this images, and here, and from the Amazon website I will just copy image address and paste it here. So let's hit submit, and yep, as you can see, it is showing me the image tag. So let's insert one more image, so this one also. So I will copy the image address, paste it here, and hit submit. So yep, as you can see, all the two addresses, the two URLs are there. So now I will just hit submit. So let's hit submit and see what will happen. Okay, so it is saying so I will just remove required from this. Okay, so just like that, and now I will hit submit, and yep, as you can see, it is saying successfully added. So now let's open our MongoDB Compass and see if it is there or not. So I will open the MongoDB Compass. and click on this connect button here, and on the left side you can see all the databases, and here you can see e-commerce suite, and yep, as you can see there is a new collection called product collection. So click on that, and yep, as you can see our product is there, iPhone 14, type electronics, price is 90,000, stocks 20, and images, let's see on images. So okay, so images, the image array is empty, and ratings and reviews should be empty, but the image array is also empty, so there is a problem here. So let's see what is the problem. Okay, alright, so the mistake was the spelling of this all image is not right, so the I was small, not capital. So I will make the change in the server, so here, and yeah, so now I think it will work. So now let's reload the page and write one more time. So I will write Samsung phone, product type will be electronics. So here I will add 50,000, let's say 13 stocks, and now let's so let's search for any Samsung phone, and here as you can see I will just copy the image address. So copy image address, and I will just paste it here, hit submit, and let's okay, so it is saying successfully added, but why it is saying on the here I will, so let's submit with just one tag, so it is saying successfully added. So now let's see on our MongoDB Compass. I will hit refresh. Okay, so the image is now there, so it is working great. But alright guys, so that's it, that's all about how to make an admin account page. So I hope you understand this video, how to make an admin account. It was very easy, you just have to make some changes in the login form, and like make sure that the only admin is able to get to this admin account page and no other user. So that's we have seen in this video, and you can see all the products are also in the product collections. And the next video we will see the how to get all these products and display them in our website. So I will add some more products, okay, and we will see in the next part how to like display them in our website. So till then, take care, and I will see you in the next one.